Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
So may I request everyone to please stand for our prayer. So Kulot, please lead the prayer.
Our Father, in heaven, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil.
Good morning again, class.
Good morning, teacher.
So before you take your seat, please arrange your chairs and pick the pieces of paper under it. Okay, thank you. So class, let us recall our rules before we start our discussion. So what are those? What are those classroom rules? What are those? What are those 3 rules? Yes, Mika?
When someone is talking in class, listen carefully and stop.
Okay, very good. So second one. Yes,
Raise your hand if you want to answer.
very good. Another.
Respect the teacher.
Okay, very good. So are we clear with our classroom rules?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's great. So now let's check your attendance first. So please say present if your name is called. Aguelo Quincy.
Present.
Aguelo Saijan.
Present.
Aswar Arzali.
Present.
Regina Michaela.
Present.
Sabandal Mira.
Present.
Okay, very good. No one is absent for today. So do you have an assignment?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. So what was our last topic, last meeting? Do you have any idea what was our lesson last meeting? Yes?
Teacher, our topic last meeting was all about forces of maths.
Okay, very good. So you have an incredible memory. So, okay class, last time we talked about forces of magnets. So remember how magnets can attract certain materials? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, exactly, to review, it would be better if I gave you a list of objects and you could tell me if they are magnetic or not. So, how does sound? Okay, here's a list. Paper clip, wooden block, a coin, a safety pin, and plastic bottle. So, let's go one by one. How about paper clip? Yes, Mika?
Magnetic because it is made of iron.
Okay, very good. So, which is attracted to magnets? So, how about wooden block? Yes?
Non-magnetic.
Okay, very good. So how about a coin? Yes?
Depends on how teacher.
Yes, excellent observation. So, you're right. It depends on the metal used. Let's move on to safety pin. Yes, Adrian?
Magnetic teacher.
Okay, very good. So, that's a good guess. Many safety pins are made of steel, which is magnetic. So, finally, how about plastic bottle cup? Yes, Nira? Absolutely. So, plastic isn't magnetic. So, we review that makes something magnetic or not. So, any question about magnetic? So, what are those examples of magnetic materials? Yes, Mika?
Iron, nickel, and
Okay, well, that's right. So before we proceed to our discussion for today, let us have a short game. So the game will be called Guess It. So, okay, I will post a picture on the TV. So then if you want to answer, raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. So are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Look at the first picture. What did you observe?
What about
Okay, very good. So how about the last? How about the second one? Very good. How about the last one?
mirror? Reflection.
Okay, that's right. So where does natural light came from? Asa ka nga nagdikan ang siga?
Sa
Okay, very good, Quincy. So based on the pictures being shown, what do you think is our topic for today?
light.
Yes, very good. So today we're going to discuss about life, wherein at the end of the lesson, you are expected to read this.
Identify how the light travels using various objects. Explain the different types and sources of light and fill the universals of light.
So, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, those picture shows different sources of light. So what do you think is light? What is light for you? What do you think is light? Unsa man ang pahayag or ang siga? What is light? Yes, Aidan?
Light is a form of energy that will oscillate around us.
Okay, very good. So, how light travels? Yes, Mira? Okay, very good. So, light travels very fast at a speed of approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. Also, the movement of light will differ in the kind of material that it hits. So, am I being understood?
Yes.
Okay, so light can pass through different objects. So, at different speed or they can bounce off from objects. So, can you see object when there is no light? Yes?
No, because it's dark.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any idea what are the two sources of light? Do you have any idea what are the two sources of light? Yes, Quincy?
Natural and artificial light.
Okay, very good. So, what is natural light for you? What is natural light? Yes, Saida.
Natural light comes from nature.
Okay, very good. So, what are those examples of natural light that comes from nature? What sources of light that comes from nature? So, what are those examples of natural light? Yes, Adrian.
Sun, star, lightning, liquid.
Okay, very good. So, how about artificial light? What is artificial light? What is artificial? Do you have any idea what is artificial? So, artificial light is made from people. So, gihimo ni sa people. Okay, do you have any idea what are those examples of artificial light? Yes, Vinci.
Light bulb and lamps.
Okay, another. Yes, Nika. Okay, very good. So those examples are called artificial light because these objects do not give off light but we can still see them because because they reflect the light from an actual sources of light. So, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, think about a window pane. What happens to the light shining on it? Does it pass through or it is blocked? Think about a window pane. Do you think the light can pass through or it is blocked? Yes, Mika. Okay, very good. The light passes. So what are those examples of transparent? Yes.
Clear plain glass and clear plastic.
Okay, very good. So that's an example of transparent object. So remember, transparent object let almost all light pass through, allowing us see clearly through them. So did you understand what is transparent? Okay, very good. So now think about a brick wall. Aning haligi. What happens to the light shining on it? Does it pass through or it is blocked? Yes, Quincy.
The light is black because of the green.
Okay, very good. So we call the materials that block the light opaque. So can you give me example of opaque objects? Yes, Adrian.
Gold and cardboard.
Okay, very good. So opaque object block almost all light and we cannot see through them. So am I being understood?
Yes.
Okay, some materials are neither completely blocked or completely opaque. Think about a frosted glass. So, do you have any idea what is frosted glass? Okay, so what happened to the light shining on it? Yes?
Sunlight passes through frosted glass, clearly through it.
Okay, very good. So, can you give me example of translucent? Yes, Mira. Okay, very good. So, another. What are those example of translucent? Yes, Amen. Okay, very good. So, translucent object let some light pass through, but they scatter the light, making it hard to see clearly. So, am I being understood? So, what are the different ways that light can change direction? What are the two different ways? Yes, Mira? Okay, very good. So, what is refraction? Do you have any idea what is refraction? Yes, Mira? Okay, very good. So, do you have any idea or do you have any example of refraction? What are those examples of refraction? So, can you give me an example of refraction? Yes, Quincy.
If I put a pencil on the glass water, this will like the pencil on the water. You take the pencil out of the water, it moves straight again.
Okay, very good. So, do you understand what Quincy says? Okay. So, how about reflection? What is reflection? So, what is reflection? Yes, Angel.
Reflection is the light from the object around us to see its image in a mirror.
Okay, very good. So, can you give me example of reflection? Yes?
The boy who sees himself in the mirror picture.
Okay, very good. So, what happens when light strikes a smooth, flat surface? So, explain using the term reflection. Yes, Mira?
When the light strikes at small flat surface like mirror, it bounces off.
Okay, very good. So, why can we see our image in a mirror? Ngayon makakita ang taas ating pagalitan sa mirror. Yes, Mira?
We can see our image because of light from our bodies and it reflects off the small surface of the mirror.
Okay, very good. So, this reflected light travels to our eyes, allowing us to see our image. So, am I being understood?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, again, class, what is light? So, what is light? Yes, Angel?
Light is a form of energy that surface around us.
Okay, very good. So, how light travels? How light travels? Yes, Mira? Okay, very good. So, what are those two sources of light? So, what are the two sources of light? Yes, Quincy?
Natural and artificial light picture.
Okay, very good. So, what is natural light? Yes, again?
Natural light comes from nature.
Okay, so what are those examples of natural light? What are those examples? Yes, Aiden?
Sun, stars, and lightning.
Okay, very good. So how about artificial light? What is artificial light? What is artificial? Yes, Quincy.
A light that is made by people.
Okay, very good. So what are those examples of artificial light? What are those examples? Yes, Quincy.
Light bulb and lamps.
Okay, another. Yes. Okay, very good. So those are examples of artificial light because they reflect the light from an actual source of light. So am I being understood?
Yes, teacher.
So how light passes through an object? Yes.
A light passes through it, reflection and refraction.
So what is refraction? What is refraction? Yes, Mira?
Refraction is in
Okay, very good. So how about reflection? What is reflection? Yes, Adrian.
reflection is the light from the object around us to see its image.
Okay, excellent. So, and reflection is the reason why we see our image in the mirror. So, am I clear?
Yes.
So, why it is important to use light properly? Yes, let's see.
Using unification light bulbs help reduce pollution and save resources.
Okay, very good. Another. Yes, Mira? Okay, very good. So light is important in various aspects as life in our safety. So energy conservation, health, production, and environmental protection. So am I being understood?
Yes.
So today, we will be having an activity. So I will read. So, objective, to observe the refraction of light and demonstrate the composition of white light. So materials, clear glasses of water, flashlights, water, white paper. So since you are 5 lang, kamo na naman tulungan, di ba? Ah, one group and the second group. Sagot? And give each group one clear glass filled with water, one flashlight, and one sheet of white paper. So each group places their sheet of paper on a flat surface. The position the glass of water on the paper. So one group member shines the flashlight through the glass of water onto the white paper. The beam should pass through the water before hitting the paper. So all members observe the light projected on the paper. Note, if you see a spectrum of colors or rainbow and describe the colors you see. Each member should have turn shining the light. So after all group have completed the activity, discuss how the water bends the light, so the refraction, and how this reveals the different colors that make up white light. So, am I being understood?
Yes.
So, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we will start.
Oh, di.
So are you done?
Yes, sure.
Okay, very good. So give me your paper. Please clean all the materials. Are you done cleaning? Yes. Okay, so for your quiz, get one whole. Okay. So please read the direction. So, direction. Classify the sources of light found in the box as a natural light or artificial light. Create a table in a one-whole sheet of paper and write your answer in the correct column. And the test B. Answer the following by giving what is asked in each question. What happens when there is A. Reflection of light, refraction of light. Number 2, what happens when light hits a transparent, translucent, and opaque? And number 3, how will you protect yourself from too much exposure to light? So, please answer. So, asa man dito ang candle, spark light, lightning, flashlight, projector, star, sun, lantern, street light, and anglerfish. Asa man nagilong ang sun ay candle, is artificial or sun? Natural. So are you done in test A? Yes, teacher. Okay, test B na po. Ako nga. So are you done?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So pass your papers in front. Okay, so for your assignment, write a short paragraph that summarizes what you have learned about life. Write it on your assignment notebook. So, okay, being understood?
Yes!
Okay, goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher!
Hey,